Hey y'all, it's December 3rd and it's Vlogmas. Woo! All right, y'all, so today is December 3rd. It's Sunday morning, so I'm getting ready for church right now. I'm probably just gonna wear like this blue dress and these boots that I have. Keeping it super simple right now. Yeah, keeping it super simple. And then I'm going to throw on a lip and we're gonna call it probably a day. I just need to like fluff out my curls and all that good stuff. Last night was super fun. It was super fun. I went to this like holiday cheer thing with my family, which is on the previous vlog. You guys should watch it if you haven't. And it was really fun. So, and also I was gonna go see Affion last night. I'm going to see him tonight. I thought he only had Thursday through like Saturday shows, but he actually had a Thursday show, like 2 Fridays, 2 Saturdays, and today's his closer. So if you're new, welcome to my channel, hello. And if you're not new, you know that I actually love going to see the last few versions of a show because I feel like they're like the best to me. So it's lit. I'm so excited. I'm about to go to church. I'm going to do some grocery shopping today. This is just Vaseline, by the way. And then after that, I'm going to clean the house. And then his show is not till like 7:30. So I got the whole day to like be productive and start my week off correctly. But then also have a nice little, Sunday evening time that doesn't have me out to the wee hours in the morning. So first things first, let's get to church. Okay, we're ready to go. I don't know if you guys can see this. Sorry, I'm gonna try to get a better view. Hold on. Okay, let's see if you guys can see this better. Okay, blue dress. The jacket is from Primark. I got it when I was in London. The dress is from Pretty Little Thing. I got this years ago, though. This is like 2016 Boohoo, or 2017 Boohoo. The boots are from Target. They're the same boots I wore to the Beyonce concert, so check out my shorts to see like the full-on boot. But yeah, this is what we got. Woo! Lip is from Revlon. It's Revlon 130. So yeah, let's go. Oh, hoops are from Nordstrom. Necklace. Ooh, I think it was a gift, so I don't know, y'all. Y'all, church was so good. Let me focus. Okay, I had to back it up. I had to back out. Church was so good, you guys. I love it. I love it. I go to a small church in Dallas, and it is what y'all doing? What y'all got going on? Oh, they switching. Okay. I go to a small church, and I think the beauty of a small church is that like everybody knows each other, which is fantastic, and they're very loving. Like my church is super loving. So and then also like they know that I be in and out when it comes to travels, but they're like, I think about you when you're not here. And I'm like, I think about y'all when I'm not there either. But it's just, oh man, it's great to be in a church community, that, just loves on you and you can love on them. And it's really great. So, and this is my church in Dallas. My church back in Waco, I always love and miss them too. I always love and miss them too. So, yes. But with that being said, we are now headed to Walmart. I gotta go to Walmart to get a couple of things, and I gotta do my little weekly shopping. So I wrote on my list. I have it ready to go. Why is it so hot in my car? Oh my god. I gotta go to Walmart. I gotta get a couple of things. I need to get a new blender because I really miss my smoothies, and I have not done my smoothies in forever, like a solid like 2-3 months, because it just was not a priority for me to go get a blender. I'm gonna be honest, but we are getting back into our smoothie gang, like smoothie routine, I don't even want to call it a ritual, it's just a routine. But I gotta go get a blender. I gotta go get a little bit of produce and basically meal prep for the week, and so I can go from there. But yeah, so a fantastic Sunday so far. And then we're gonna go back home. After Walmart, I gotta go back home. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, get my life organized, and then we're going to see Affion tonight. It's lit because Affion is affordable. Like you guys are gonna learn as I vlog more on my channel. I do affordable stuff, y'all. It has to be like, not that it has to be like affordable, but also I find that I have a lot of fun when I spend this much money because I come from that. Like, when I come from, my parents divorced or whatever, which was fine, everybody's fine, but as a result, we didn't have a lot of money to be doing all that type of stuff. Like, we just didn't. And I, like, the best parts of my life, like literally up into all parts of my life, have been when I've had little to no money, because you have to get creative. This is probably another reason why I'm so heavy on like budgeting now, because like, I don't know, you just get more creative when you have to really be creative. So like Affion tonight, I'm like, okay, cool. He's like, I think it's like 30 or 35 bucks to see him, which is great. It's a little single solo ticket. I'm gonna be seated with some other people. That's a good time for me. That's a good time. And it's just right. And I love Affion. I would pay top dollar for him. But it's just nice that I can see him at a very, very like budget friendly, affordable rate. So that's gonna be good. So I'll tell y'all how much I spent with the taxes and all that in a minute. But it's lit. Okay, I'm rambling. Let's go to Walmart. Always take my list with me, because when I get excited about stuff like this, I can stay focused. But I will say I'm getting prices on these mirrors because I actually need a full-length mirror. So I was just looking at this. So this is gonna be like 18 bucks. So I will put that in the budget later for home decor. Okay, we're home from Walmart, and I'll just show you guys what I got. This is the blender that I got. It's from Hamilton Beach. It's just a smoothie blender. I got the, how many ounces? It's 48 ounce capacity, and it has 12 functions. It was like 22 bucks. So yay for that. And then, what else did I get? Okay. I got some belts because I need some belts. I left some at my mom's house. I got some almond milk unsweetened. I got my coffee creamer. I got some Comet because I needed Comet. I got heavy whipping cream. I got some shrimp for a little meal I'll cook myself tomorrow. Spinach. I got some toothpaste because I need toothpaste. Parmesan cheese for the shrimp meal that I'm gonna cook tomorrow. Whole wheat penne pasta. I'm gonna try this. I've never tried it before. Wait, no, yes I have. I think I tried whole wheat pasta. I just don't remember the taste of it. But anyways, I got some butter because I needed some butter. And that's it, that's all. So this is actually going to go back where my recyclable bags are. Also, words to the wise, you guys, get recyclable bags. Like, just get them. When I tell you it will save you trips back and forth to your car, to the train, wherever you're going, get the recyclable bags. It works every time. So I'm going to condense these, and they're gonna go in my pantry. Okay, cool. So now I'm just gonna put these items away. I'm actually gonna get changed out of my church clothes and into like my cleaning up clothes because I'm about to get the house in order. Like, it's a little bit messy in here. My family was over, which is great, but now I gotta clean up. So yes, let's get changed. Let's put these groceries away, and we'll go from there. All right, let's get ready to go see Affion. I think I'm gonna do my hair like this. I think I'm gonna leave it out. Yeah. Or do I put it back in the slick? Nope. I just saw how I'm gonna look. I'm gonna do it back in the slick. Let's do it.
Quiet star, quiet star, quiet star, quiet star.